We just came back from the store. I don't know why I keep on going back to that Woolies, because it's not even, it doesn't have things that I want every time, and I keep on going there. In an event, it's a new vlog. I just want to welcome you to my channel. I'm Mungapeka, housewife ya Mungasi. And that housewife that brings you, day-to-day life of a township housewife. Yes. So, yeah, what is on now? We just came back from Woolies. I wanted to buy some few spices and so that I can make the wraps. Because my daughter she's been asking me, Utesh Mama, can you please make us wraps? So I just want to make wraps quickly so that she can be happy. So yeah, I just came to open up this new vlog and to welcome you to my channel and to remind you again that you must not forget to like, share and subscribe. Please, my F. It don't cost you anything, but it would mean so much to me if you subscribe and also like. And I would like to thank my subscribers. So thank you. I appreciate it, you know that. And again, you are loved. Money my F's. Yo, I just came from the spaza shop. I went with my daughter. She actually wanted to go alone, but it's still early in the morning, so I wanted to go buy eggs and bread so that I can make them breakfast. I don't buy eggs in, if I bought 6 eggs, then it's fine, because we don't really like eggs in this house. Yeah, so I just want to make them breakfast. And it's a Saturday actually today. Today it's a Saturday, so I haven't been vlogging because I was not feeling well, but now I'm okay. So I thought maybe today I can do, because I didn't do laundry. As you know, Fridays it's laundry day, so I didn't do laundry yesterday. So I'm thinking of doing it today, but the weather is not nice, like favorable for doing laundry. But I'll see because I need to do bedding. I usually take out my bedding Fridays, and yeah, so we'll see. My F's, we've come to the end of our vlog. Thanks for watching, and I know my F's, this week I've been vlogging much, but I promise you next week, this coming week, I'll be back on, because I was not really 100% okay, but I'm fine now. My F's, I just want to say thank you. We have reached our 50 subscribers. Cheers to that. Cheers to our 50 subscribers, and thank you my F's. So we are going up. We are now hitting for 60 subscribers. So I really appreciated my F's, and I knew we could do it. So yeah, I just want to say thank you again for watching this vlog, and I hope you will like, share and subscribe. And my F's, I know sometimes it's demoralizing, especially to us new YouTubers. It's demoralizing because you look at your subscriptions, like subscribers, you have 50 today. Tomorrow when you check, it has gone down to 48. So I know it can be a little bit discouraging, but all I can tell you, my F's, is that keep on pushing, keep on going on. Don't let that demotivate you or discourage you, or no, it should actually give you that thing, I will do this, I'm going to do it. I know it's not easy, but don't feel bad. I know it's sad sometimes, you are hitting for this number and tomorrow it has gone down. It's one of those things, it happens in life. So don't be discouraged. That's all I can say. But my F's, you know something, right? That you are loved. Cheers.